Hello everybody, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy. It has been a hot minute since we have been on the channel. We have been working on a lot of really large wholesale orders, and today was one of the first days where I had a chance to breathe. So I figured I would jump on and do this video for you. I do hope you guys are enjoying our videos. If you do, please feel free to like and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave us a comment and let us know how you're enjoying the channel, what you would like to see, a technique, certain colors, certain fragrances, even any kind of product, lotion, shower steamers, you name it. Whatever we make, or something we may not have been making, and something we could also add to our line. Let's see, so we are doing April's scent of the month. I know, it's spring. Spring is here, Easter is around the corner, and we are getting started on our Easter soaps, our April soaps. When you are in this business, you always have to do everything 4 to 6 weeks in advance because of curing times. So this soap will be ready for purchase in our shop on April 10th. I was going to have it released on April 3rd, but that is Easter weekend, and I don't want to tear anybody away from family vacation plans and traveling plans to be able to hop on and get a soap during the release. So it will be April 10th at noon Mountain Standard Time. And all of our April soaps, our Easter soaps that we will be highlighting, which are coming soon, our soap of the month and our gemstone of the month will be coming. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to get going here while I'm getting my shirt tucked into my gloves and getting my hair pulled back and my goggles on. I'm just going to tell you what we're going to be making today. This soap, when I think of April, I think of the old phrase, April showers brings May flowers. So we're kind of doing a water theme for this soap. And to be honest, I don't have a lot of water fragrances. I'm not quite sure why I don't have them, because I really do like them. But I just didn't have a lot. So when I decided to do this, I found this scent. It's Water Lily and Jasmine. And it is by Nature's Garden. If you guys see a theme at all, we use a lot of Nature's Garden fragrances because for several reasons. One, they are very reasonably priced. Two, they are very concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. And I really do like a lot of their fragrances. We haven't had a lot of problems with fragrances. This one I have used in bath bombs, but I have never used in soap. So it is a floral. From what the review said, I can't remember if it said it did not accelerate at all. I am soaping quite cool today. And so what I'm going to do is, after I add in my fragrance oil, I will just stick blend. Possibly even after my goat's milk, excuse me, not my goat's milk, the lye solution. So that's what we'll be using today. The colors I'm using are, it's Mad Mica's Flash Dance. And I hope you can see that. I do not have a big container of it. It is on order. But this is kind of a purpley pink color. I used it yesterday in some bath bombs and was very, very light. I did a very, very light color. But here's the bath bomb. And so it turned out just really pretty. Not to be confused with pink, but it has like a purpley shade to it. So I really like that. And then I'm going to be using some titanium dioxide along with that, just to lighten up the batter a little bit. So in my oils and butters, which are already melted, I have added my 2 tablespoons of colloidal oats and 2 tablespoons of kale and clay. And to my lye water, this is just a basic lye water, distilled water, sodium hydroxide, Tessa, silk, and a little bit of sodium lactate. Now, don't be, I made this a couple days ago, so there is a little bit of liolin in there. I'm not worried about that. because it will stick blend out. I'll give it a little bit of stir with my whisk. Off to the side, but I'm not worried about that. You don't have to worry about lye lint in your soaps. A lot of people strain it out just to make sure, but I get it good enough with my stick blender that I don't have a problem with it. So let's see, any other things? Oh, I think I'm just going to be doing probably just a basic in the pot swirl. I lost my soap swirler that you put in the mold to be able to do an in the pot swirl. Or sorry, yeah, in the pot, not in the pot swirl, a drop swirl. So I think I'm just going to do a simple in the pot swirl, do a simple top, reserve some of the pink for the top, and just do a cute swirl. Maybe, I don't know, kind of curve it up in the middle. Not sure what I'm going to do. I never know what I'm going to do with these until I get to the end, until I find some inspiration. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's get soaping. again, everybody. This is Lynette with the Skin Candy. We are going to go ahead and cut our April scent of the month, which is Water Lily and Jasmine. And let's just get right into it.